Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I am going to tell you how to fix Facebook. Something went wrong, please try again. So guys, if you have this type of issue when you open your Facebook app and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. So first of all guys, you need to go back and after doing this simply you need to open your settings in your phone, and guys after this you need to click on Wi-Fi and turn on your Wi-Fi and connect Wi-Fi with your device. And guys, if do not have Wi-Fi, then you need to open your mobile data, and guys after connecting with the strong internet connection, then guys you need to go back. And guys, the second method is you need to open your settings again, scroll down, click on app management, and guys click on app list. And after this, here you need to find Facebook. So guys, after finding Facebook, you need to click on Facebook, and after this click on storage and cache, click on clear cache. And guys, the third method is you need to update your Facebook. So guys, how can you update? Simply you need to open your Play Store, and guys here you need to search Facebook, and guys click on Facebook, and here you will find the option of update. So guys, I have already updated my app, therefore I have not the option of update. So guys, if you have not updated your app, then you need to update your app from here. And guys, after doing update you need to go back, and after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys, now I am checking that. So guys, here you can see now my Facebook is working fine. So guys, you can see here, and I am clicking all the tabs. So guys, after doing this method your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fixed your problem and having this issue again and again, then guys you need to open your settings and scroll down, click on system, and click on reset phone. And guys, after this click on reset Wi-Fi settings. And guys, first of all you need to select SIM1, click on reset, and after this select SIM2 and click on reset. And guys, after doing network reset, then your problem will be fixed, totally problem will be fixed, and you will be able to open your Facebook smoothly. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.